Kamusta si Tita Leona?
Yeah. Coping naman. Yun, lagi niyang binibisita si Papa.
Alam mo, hanggang ngayon hindi ako makapaniwala. Yung kay Tito Hector. Liv. Alam ko, matapang ka naman. Pero, pag naging mahirap, alam mo namang nandito kami para sa'yo, di ba? Ako, nandito ako para sa'yo.
Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. You're a true friend.
Friend. Ano to? Ba't tinusok to dun?
Wala lang, bakit ba?
Jesus.
Guys, look who's calling! Oh my God! It's Eric!
Uy!
Okay. Ayan. Guys, look who's here!
Buti naman nagparamdam ka.
Kamusta?
I wouldn't miss it for the world. Congrats, Sugar. Yeah,
Thank you.
Happy to see you guys.
Tatabihan kita ng pinakamasarap na cupcake, promise.
Ay, may utang ka sa akin. Kwento.
I know. Oh my God, I have so much kwento for you. I miss you so much.
Squad girls,
Stick together! Ingat kayo!